We've got a ceramic application going on in the wild. Water won't even stick to it. Just So behind me we have the stunning brand new Porsche GT4 RS in paint to sample mint green. As you can see, is incredible, looks amazing. Customer actually had it delivered straight to us here at IXexotics. We did a full inspection on it to make sure that everything was as it's supposed to be. There's no damage during transport. And now we're getting into the preparation to get it properly protected. On this particular vehicle, we're going to do our full coverage paint protection film with the Deluxe Installation. It's a really unique car. We're going to take you through each step of the process, show you how we protect a unique vehicle like this and give it the ultimate protection. As you can see behind me, we've got the R&I stage completed and we're on to applying our paint protection film. So again, that's going over the full car. As you can see here behind me, the tail light's been removed. That allows us to get even deeper with the film and really get that edge tucked all the way so you don't see any unsightly edges or seams. So one of the biggest differentiators if you're shopping for paint protection film on your vehicle, between the pricing is going to be the type of installation. There's a lot of shops out there that are just going to sling the basic kit as it's designed, and what that's going to leave you with is, yes, you're going to be probably 95% protected, but you're going to see a lot of unnecessary seams, a lot of edges. You're not going to see edges of each panel kind of wrapped. Whereas we offer a service a little bit different. We call it our Deluxe Installation. That's what we talked about earlier when we said we're going to remove a lot of things so that we have more access to all the edges, and so we don't have to just stop at a seam or stop at a trim piece. As you can see, we've removed the headlights, the side markers. We actually pulled the bumper to get the headlights off. We removed these fender louvers here as well as the vents in the hood itself. So what that allows us to do is really get complete coverage around all these edges instead of having to just kind of stop right here. And what happens if you do stop right here is you run the risk of, one, things catching it and peeling it back, but also two, over time you're going to get dirt and debris that are going to build up around those edges. This level does take a little bit more time, it's a little more costly, but the result that you get is well worth it if you're looking for that just next level installation and having this paint protection film not be a distraction from how beautiful this color is. So another place that the Deluxe Install really helps is going to be on these doors. As you can see, the mirror stock here actually is just right in the middle of the door. You've got your door handle that goes here obviously, and so traditionally you would have basic installs, you're going to have a big seam that where they just kind of fold that film in there. It's not ideal. Again, you're going to catch a lot of dirt and debris there. Also too, you would have a big unsightly seam right here above the mirror stock. So by doing our Deluxe Installation, again, we remove all this, remove the window trim, the mirror, the full door handle, so that you can get that fully custom, completely invisible installation. So you're not going to have any of those things, and you're not even going to be able to tell that the paint protection is actually on the vehicle. And that's the ultimate goal. At the same time we're doing the paint protection film, we're also doing the ceramic tint. So that's going to be applied to the full sides and the rear, making sure that you have some privacy for the occupants inside, as well as some comfort and keeping it cool in this hot Texas sun. Now we have the vehicle fully reassembled after the full body paint protection film is applied. Now we are in the ceramic coating phase. So Josh here is behind me applying that ceramic coating to the full car. That's going to give it an extra level of just chemical protection on top of the paint protection film. It's also going to make it extremely hydrophobic. So the car is going to stay looking really good. It's going to repel water and dirt and debris a little bit better as well, and just keep it looking its best long term. Okay, so here you have it. We have finished our Porsche GT4 RS full car protection. Now this vehicle wanted the absolute ultimate in protection, so we gave it not only our full car coverage, but also our deluxe installation. No seams whatsoever. We also installed Xpel XR Plus ceramic window tint along with our Fynlab ceramic coating over the top of the paint protection film. Is just gonna give it that extra layer of hydrophobicness as well as help maintain that shine and make it glisten a little bit more. So if you're looking for the ultimate in protection for your vehicle, come by and see us at IXexotics. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel to see the next project.